Welcome to the DESI ASTRO. In this Python 4 astronomy tutorial on photometry of stars and galaxies, I am going to show you that how to create a simple Gaussian kernel using PHOTUTILS Python package in AstroPy. Okay, so this Gaussian kernel is used to convolve your image data with this kernel and do some filtering mechanism in photometry of stars and galaxies. So let's do it. Okay, so for doing that I will import some libraries. So here I will import library. So first of all I will import PHOTUTILS. So import PHOTUTILS, and then I will import the kernel I am going to made it. Okay, so import in that way. So from PHOTUTILS dot segmentation import make 2D Gaussian kernel. Okay, so this will be used to create the Gaussian kernel of required parameters. Okay, so now I will create a Gaussian kernel. So I will type here G and kernel, or just type here Gauss kernel and give function your make 2D Gaussian kernel and see what parameters it will take. Okay, so here you can see it takes FWSM. So basically it is called full width half maximum size of the box. Okay, so I will give the two things only. So size you can be your like ny nx across, I mean like your y pixel and x pixel, and the size must be of the odd values. Okay, like you cannot give the even value like 4, 6, 8. You need to also give the odd values. Okay, so I will say I will make FWHM equal to say 3 and size I can make it say 5 into 5, right? And now see what this represents. So run it. So we have done it successfully. Now type it Gauss kernel and see what it is returning. So it is showing that we have created the Gaussian kernel at this memory location. Now I will show this kernel that how it looks like. So for that I will import matplotlib. So import matplotlib dot pyplot as plt, and then I will plot it this kernel plt dot image show and pass my kernel. Run it. Type here plt dot show, right? So here you can see that you have created the Gaussian kernel of box size 5 into 5, and this is how the center is the brightest, and after that your intensity is falling. Okay, in either direction. You can also change it. You can make it 11 to 5. See, okay, this way you can change. You can also change the FWHM, say 5 and 11 into 15. So this is how it looks like, the Gaussian kernel. You can give a title to it, plt dot title, and type here Gauss kernel, right? And you can also give a color map to it. So plt dot color bar. So this is how your values are varying of the pixels, right? So this way you can create a Gaussian kernel using PHOTUTILS. And now we are ready to convolve this Gaussian kernel with image data or other data. So Thank you, and I expect that you have learned this simple tutorial on how to make a 2D Gaussian kernel using PHOTUTILS. Thank you.